In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Roblox profile picture emote in a few easy steps. If you've been wanting to personalize your Roblox avatar and make your profile stand out, you're in the right place. We all know how fun it is to express ourselves through our avatars, so let's dive right into the process of updating your emote. First things first, you'll need to log into your Roblox account. Open up your preferred web browser or the Roblox app, and simply enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with your home page. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the navigation menu found on the left side of your screen. Click on the Avatar tab. This is where the magic happens, the hub where you can customize and update the look of your avatar. Once you've entered the avatar editor, you'll see a variety of options to change everything from hairstyles to clothing and beyond. For the purpose of this tutorial, our focus is on emotes. It's worth mentioning that if you're not familiar with emotes, they are essentially fun animations or poses that especially add personality to your avatar. To find these options, simply click on Animations in the upper menu and then select Emotes from the drop-down list. Now, you should be looking at a selection of emotes available for your avatar. Roblox offers an extensive library of emotes so you can express anything from humor to excitement. Browse through the list to find the one that best suits your personality. Remember, the emote you choose will be reflected on your profile picture, so pick something that represents you well. If you see an emote you'd like to set, click on it, and it will automatically update your avatar's pose in the editor. To save these changes and update your profile picture, you don't need to do anything else. The change happens seamlessly. After selecting your desired emote, the last thing you'll want to do is refresh your profile page to see your new avatar emote in action. Go back to your profile by clicking on your username located at the top right corner of the screen, and then select Profile from the drop-down menu. Your newly updated emote should now be the star of your profile picture. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Roblox profile picture emote. This process allows you to give your avatar a personalized touch, helping you stand out in the Roblox community. Feel free to revisit the emote selections whenever you feel like switching things up or trying out something new. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your newly customized profile. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to enhance your Roblox experience.